Hey guys, it's me, Kawaii Senpai MSP. Okay, um now I'm gonna be I'm gonna be um continuing where I left off, and now I'm 100% sure that I gifted it. Sorry, my computer's very laggy right now because I switched it off and came back on, and then I was like, oh my god, did I switch everything off and stuff? But I didn't, so it's very laggy right now. Okay, so yep, I got it. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. Now, the first step I need to do, and I'm gonna thank Oxke Carly MSP again, because she did a lot for me. She gave me this account! I love you, and now I'm gonna change the password. You're the best. I swear you're the best. And she literally got VIP on this account. I love her. I literally love her to guts. I don't think the hair fits. Yeah. Yep, much better. Okay, thanks guys for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, comment, and like. And I promise I'll do more voiceovers next time, or maybe I'll just do typing. But I'm more used to typing. But I'm just gonna do voiceovers if you guys want. Comment if you want me to do voiceovers. Thank you so much for watching this video. Yeah. Make sure to subscribe to Kawaii Senpai MSP. Bye!